Basically just shows an example of what it's like to be a facilities maintenance technician. On this particular morning, there was a no heat condition on this Resnor air handler. The pilot wouldn't light, and so obviously the main burner wouldn't light. Sorry for the background noise. So I'm waiting for that pilot valve and main valve light to turn on. You can hear the blower fan running. So I'm going to walk around and look inside the sight glass to see what the burner's doing, if anything. There was no pilot flame. Nothing. Just a little bit. You can see it finally did come on. It's hard to see it through the glass. So I got pilot flame, but the main burner still wouldn't light. So a little bit more troubleshooting. And unfortunately, what I had to do was bypass the indoor controller. Basically, there's a box inside the building that has a thermostat, an on-off switch, some other components. Once I bypassed that, as you can see in this clip, the main burner came on. Main burner is lit now. So I'll go back on a warmer day and troubleshoot that issue. At least we got it running so they have heat. And while I was there, I need to perform a PM on this unit. PM stands for preventative maintenance. So we're also going to perform a quarterly PM while I'm here today. Visual inspection, grease the bearings. We're going to check the belt tension and belt condition. So I don't see any cracking or signs of damage or excessive wear. We also need to grease the pedal bearing blocks, inspect the burner. The previous damage you saw in that VX cable near the belt, that's been repaired. That was an old damaged area that's been corrected. Unfortunately, all the rust you see on everything, this unit had a leaky roof. It was so old, the roof coating had failed and cracked. So that was another issue I had to fix. I had to go up there and reseal the roof on this unit. Next, a little bit later in the day, had to perform a PM on a BAC water cooling tower. Okay, BAC water cooling tower PM, checking the belt tension, belt condition, do the pedal bearing blocks, do a visual inspection. the hard water and mineral deposits you see on the motor and inside there. This was a previously owned unit that had previous water damage and water leakage. We've since corrected that issue. Anyways, just to give you an idea of some of the tasks you might do as a facilities maintenance technician, there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks. Have a good day.